Hey everyone, welcome to the video. We are going to be doing a quick little unboxing on this Makartt Polygel kit. All nude colors, they are beautiful. I cannot wait to show you. This kit also comes with a little booklet, but it came with a few new stuff from the first one that I did. It tells you what everything is for and how to use it step by step. Comes with a little foils if you don't want to use the actual dual forms, and the color in this kit is absolutely beautiful. This is the base coat and also the top coat, which will be the last step that we will be doing today. The little spatula and the brush for scooping and for shaping your polygel on your dual forms or your foils, whichever one you prefer to do. This kit comes with its own liquid, so you don't have to purchase rubbing alcohol unless you run out, of course. The colors, number 336. Look how beautiful this is. It's like a little nude chocolate. It is so gorgeous. I love it. I almost picked this one. The next color, absolutely gorgeous, number 335. I love every single one of these. I couldn't choose. It was very difficult. But this next one, 334, is the actual one that you saw on the thumbnail. This is the one I chose to go with at the end. I just couldn't resist. 331, a beautiful nude pink. Absolutely love it. 332, not my cup of tea. It's a little light for me, but it is beautiful nonetheless. 333, also gorgeous, like a cream color. And this is what they all look like side by side. These dual forms came a little more organized in a little plastic container. I'm going to go ahead and do one hand, and then I will let you guys know how I did it on my other hand. So I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so this is what they look like. I have not cleaned them up. I just cured them and they came out pretty good. I'm going to show you guys my little technique on how I accomplished this look. The first thing you want to do is clean up your nail, file it a little bit, and clear out any dead skin you have and make the cuticle look clean. Pick a nice gracious amount. If you like them long, get a nice chunk. If you like them smaller, you still want to have a nice amount. Not this big, of course, if you decide to go a little shorter, but gracious amount. It's better to have some left over than not enough and the nail will be too thin. Place it at the center and then move your spatula down. And with the alcohol and your brush, you are going to just move it around. Make sure all of the edges are nice and thick, not too thin, because the nail will break. I'm slowing this part just a little so you can see my technique. From the center to the tip of the nail, form it so you get that U shape with your nail. If you don't have an electric filer, this will be perfect. Do it manually. It'll save you a lot of time throughout the entire process. So just shape your nail manually. It'll save you time and you'll have a beautiful finish. Also, make sure your edges are nice and thick. When you're done, what you're looking for is that your polygel has no transparency from the outside, that it's all one color, and that is how you know it is even enough and ready to go on your nail bed. The next thing you're going to do is grab your base coat, put it on your nail, and you're going to cure it for about 2 minutes. I did it for only 90 seconds. When you are done curing the base coat, it is still going to be slightly sticky. Don't worry, you want that stickiness. You're going to grab your dual form with your polygel, place it close to the cuticle, and then slide it towards the cuticle. Some polygel will come out, but that's what you want. Go ahead and get your brush with a little bit of your alcohol, rubbing alcohol, or the cleanser, and just clean it up nicely. Not letting the alcohol or the cleanser mix, you're just cleaning. So you just need to damp your brush just a little bit, not soak it. This is the most important part. Listen, you guys, most important part. Turn your finger over, whether you have to put it on something that's going to help you stay steady, or you're going to hold it down with another finger, however you can, and you're going to lightly damp your brush and move the polygel away from your nail and shape it. It's going to move after you put it on your bed, on your nail bed. It kind of moved around a little bit, so grab your brush and move it away from your skin and then shape it the best you can. If you want it square, do it square, round, however you want. The point is to get that nice little shape where you don't have to use the filer too much. The instructions say to cure for 2 minutes. I cured for 3, maybe because they were longer, I'm not sure, but 3 was my prime number. These dual forms come with these little tacks on the side, which was really cool. That is what you're going to kind of tug on left and right, and then you're going to just slip it off. It's going to come off painlessly. After you remove it, you're going to have your nail. It's going to look almost perfect. Just go ahead and shape it to however shape you want. Cut it down. Make it look how you want it till you're satisfied. Be careful not to crack the nail when you file too rough. If you have an electric filer, go ahead and use it. Otherwise, those are the steps I will be using for the rest of my nails. I like to do the top coat at the very end after I'm done filing every single nail and I'm happy with the way it looks. I do the top coat after I wash my hands, and that is the last step. I just like that clean look, and I don't like to cross-contaminate or feel like the clean ones are collecting dust from the old ones. So I just wait till the very end. It's up to you if you want to do one by one, but that is what I prefer and recommend. When you are done, you're going to have these beautiful flawless nails that you did in the comfort of your own home and all by yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, or go ahead and watch my next video. I will link it so you can see the other kit that I did. Thank you again for watching the video and your support. I will see you in the next one. Have a good day.